Hello, sir. Good morning. I welcome you on behalf of College Dunia. So, before we start this session, I would request you if you can introduce yourself and what is Shankara Raipur is all about.
Good morning, sir. I'm Dr. J.P. Patra, currently working as professor and head for Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I have total 17 years of teaching experience, and I have associated with Sankaracharya from 2004. So Sankaracharya is known about its result and placement, but personally, in my opinion, people of Chhattisgarh must know about Sankaracharya or SSIPMT Raipur, about his patent, research publication, and the contribution towards the society. So it's my personal opinion that people must know in this point about Sankaracharya.
Great, sir. So, moving toward our first question, sir. So, being the HOD Computer Science and Engineering of Shankara Raipur, what are your roles and responsibility toward the students, sir?
Sir, as the head of the department, I want to develop an ecosystem where each student can enhance their talents in a better way. At the same time, we also take care that before graduation is completed, he or she should have a job offer. To fulfill this, me and my department organize some various type of activities like communication skill, so that student can enhance their communication skill, competitive coding, so that the students can enhance their programming skill, GATE classes, student development program on emerging technology, and guest lectures, workshop, research publications, and industry-oriented projects.
Great, sir. Great, sir. So, moving to the second question, sir. How does the curriculum of Shankara ensure that the student are being prepared for the future, sir?
Sir, actually, we have divided our curriculum in two parts, depending upon the industry, depending upon the technology and trends followed by the industry. So we have divided our curriculum in two parts. First one is university curriculum and second one is content-based syllabus. Mostly our focus remain on content-based syllabus, in which we do design, syllabus and implementation in collaboration with industry experts and our alumni. Similarly, here in this part, we have involved our alumni. We can develop a better curriculum for our students. Here our focus remain on the subjects with the latest technology of the industry. As an example, we have just collaborated with NVIDIA company for artificial intelligence. Along with this, we also try our students do an internship in the same company so that they can get some industry level exposure.
Great, sir. Great, sir. So, moving to the next question, sir. How do you try to bring in a practical approach towards subject and make it industry oriented, sir?
Sir, to provide industry oriented education, the approach of learning from an industry perspective, we have to introduce project based learning for each subject. This means, sir, that every student will have to make an innovative project on any one topic from their regular subject. Its meaning is only that he should not only read the theory, but he also know the practical application. The second part is, sir, minor and major project. We encourage our students to make project based on industry oriented problems. For this, we have been able to provide them some area and problem also. Our focus is basically on artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, data science, cyber security, and other emerging technology.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Sounds interesting, sir. So, my next question is, sir, what are the intervention and approaches you bring in apart from curriculum to train or teach the students, sir?
Sir, we provide students training program on different subjects like artificial intelligence, machine learning, React, GitHub, Python, IoT, drone and robotics. We conduct mock written tests regularly for our final year and pre-final year students. We also conduct mock interviews for each software company along with our alumni and industry person, which help them a lot in campus preparation. We also organize competitive coding classes for our students so that they can easily crack the job. So these are some points in which we are going to implement or we have already implemented so that our students can learn something and they can easily crack the job interviews.
Great, sir. Great, sir. So, moving to the next question, sir. what would you like people to know about your institute that they might not know about?
Sir, people know SSIPMT for its best university result and placement results. But I want to, it's my personal opinion, that people to know us for our research and development work, people must know about our patents, publications, innovations done by our faculty and students. Recently, AICT gave us the Idea Lab due to our patent and innovation work. So in Idea Lab, any common man can convert his or her idea into a product. We will provide whatever equipments are needed to convert that particular idea into a prototype. So we want people to know us as a problem solver institute for industry and society.
Great, sir. So my last question for today's session is, sir, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring student?
Sir, my suggestions are that you may or may not be a very good IT person, but being a good person is always in your hands. And such kindness is known as the key of the success. You must find your passion so that your work feel like your hobby. Always be ready to take the challenges so that you can perform even out of your comfort zone. Do something that you love. If you are doing something you are passionate about, you are just naturally good to succeed. And a lot of other things will happen that you don't need to worry about. So that will be my suggestions to my current youth and aspiring students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It was really nice interacting with you, and looking for more interactive session from Shankara Raipur in future. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.